As we have completed with the model 4, that is G+8 story residential apartment building, okay, in which we have discussed all this detail, that AutoCAD plan discussion, importing it, defining, assigning, modeling, then analysis and designing part. We have done all of this for the gravity load. Right now, as we have been continuing our series, I have added one more model, that is the model 5, which is a G+3 story residential building in ETABS, where we will be discussing for the secondary beams and the moment release in the secondary beams. Okay, I have taken a complete different model for this, so you can get familiar with the secondary beams and how to release the moment and all this concept. And we will be doing all these steps like the defining, modeling and assigning, analysis and designing for this building also. Okay, and then after, for the model 6, we have added the advanced part. After this part, we will be moving to our basic. All the 80% of the work has been completed of the ETABS. Okay, all this work will be about 80% when you complete our this model, that is the G+3 story residential building. All this 80% work will be completed. Then after, for the model 6, we will be discussing for the G+2 story building, over which will be model first, then we will be analyzed it, and then after we go for the earthquake and the wind loads. Okay, so how to define them, what is diaphragm, how to assign the diaphragm, and all the step, what are the load combinations for this earthquake load. Okay, so basically after that of the model 6, the defining part will be over. Okay, then after, the last part, that is the what is the static earthquake analysis, that we will be discussing it, what is the response factor analysis and the time history analysis, and we will be apply it in our model, this G+2 story. Okay, and we will try to model, try to add it into the G+8 story also. Okay, and as of now, we will be discussing this model 05 in this module. Okay, in this section, it will be G+3 story residential apartment building, and its detail of it. Okay, it will be in the AutoCAD format. Okay, we will not import this. We will try to make this grid by grid in the manual way, because I will show some different step of it. Okay, so basically it's all these details have been of this model, that is the G+3 story building. Let's see its detail in the next video.